Finnovation. So this week I've been really into nunchucks. And I've got pretty good at them. So the obvious question is...
can you show us what to do with those things?
Yes, I can. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you a really beginner tutorial on how to use nunchucks. So I may do an intermediate or advanced tutorial if you guys want that. So write a comment down below if you liked this video. Let's get into it. Alright, before this video begins, I want to give a big shout out to Lud Martial Arts for teaching me all my awesome nunchuck moves. I'm very grateful for them. Also, I want to give a disclaimer that Finnovation is not responsible if anyone gets injured while practicing this. Also, nunchucks are not a toy. You should not hit anyone with these unless it's a complete self-defense situation, in which case you probably don't want to be using nunchucks. So, also when you're using nunchucks, I always keep my hand up just like this so that I am just protecting my face a little bit if I accidentally hit myself or if like it was a self-defense situation. I am using padded nunchucks because these are so much softer because when you're learning, you're definitely going to hit yourself. So with that being said, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to teach you is how you should hold your nunchucks. You should hold your nunchucks close to the string like this, when you're practicing at least. So you want to be holding close so that you have less leverage and you don't hit yourself hard when you're doing a strike like that so that it doesn't hurt your hip or anything else. So I'm going to be teaching you the basic strike and the triangle in this video. So the basic strike, how you should do this is you swing the nunchuck from your shoulder to the hip that's across from your shoulder. So it looks like this. It is not this. It is that. All right. So how you should do this without hurting yourself. Your power should be going, I'm going to hold my hand so I can do it really slow. So you swinging, 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 and this is where it's power. And then you should stop putting the power in right about here, right about where your stomach is. And then you should kind of slow down and ease into your hip. So it's fast, 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 slow. So if I do that fast one time, it'll look like that. And that doesn't hurt me at all. So practice this a while, and once you've got that, you can move on to this part of the video. So I'm going to do that a couple times. Make sure you've really got this, because this is a really fundamental part of nunchucks. So now I'm going to be teaching you the triangle. How this looks like is it looks like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to start out with that basic strike. And you're on your hip that's across from your shoulder. And you're going to bring it from one hip to the other hip. And let's practice that a couple times. So it's hip and across. So hip, across. And then you bring it up. So hip, across, up. Hip, across, up. Now practice this a while and see if you can get really good at it. Practice maybe putting a little more power into it, but make sure you're slowing down right before you hit your hip. Same with like this one. So power, power, slow down. So, and now you can add a spin like I just did there. So before you add a spin to your triangle, you're going to practice just spinning your nunchucks backwards and then the other way and do it forwards. This looks really easy, but it's actually kind of difficult. So practice that for a while. Once you've got that, you can add it to your triangle. So you go hip, across, and now how you add that spin is you're up like this, and as you're bringing your nunchuck up, you see this little curve that it does like that. So like that. That upward motion you can add into a spin. So like that. And then you can bring it to your shoulder. So I'd recommend just doing one spin, but you can do two if they're fast. So just have fun with this. The last thing I'm going to be teaching you in this video is the figure eight. And that looks like this. So now, how you do that is basically you just want to make a sideways 8 or like an infinity symbol. So you go across, up, across. So I'm going to slow that down and just really make it easy for you guys. So you want to go break, because nunchucks really look good when they're fluent. So you want to make all your techniques look fluid and together. Nunchucks are not like a choppy thing as much as like short sticks. So what you want to do is you want to kind of bring that flow of like the natural, when I swing the nunchuck down, it naturally goes up. So you use that up to just continue it. So you're going to be just drawing a sideways 8. Just like that. Practice that for a while, and if you have any questions for this video, leave them in the comment section down below. So one more time, it looks like this. There we go. Alright, well that sums up this nunchuck video. And I hope you guys are starting to feel more and more like ninjas with the warp ball and the nunchucks. You know, Dad, I've actually got a joke for you.
Oh, Lord.
Did you see the ninja cross the road?
No, Finn, I didn't.
Well, of course you didn't. He's a ninja. He's sneaky.
Finn, was that a joke?
Yeah.
Wow.
I guess I'm not too good at these. Whatever. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!